Yep.
Keep moving. Yeah, I don't have any balance. Oh, you get Ruth coming.
Do it!
Oh, no.
Do it!
I'm going to stack it in the middle and I am.
Do it!
Just do it on cliff. Huh? Do it on cliff. Yeah, I'll still stack it.
Just do it! No, I'm going to stand there so I can't. I'm going to stand here.
Stacking it.
I'm going to stand here so you can't, like, roll past me.
No, it's big. Keep going.
Oh shit!
You had it.
Oh shit!
Just gotta wait for it to come down.
I literally nearly like pissed my pants then. Like I am so fucking bloated right now.
Hey? Nothing, just ride.
I know, it just comes down like so late.
You just have to wait. It takes a while for it to come down, so just keep moving slowly.
Yeah, it comes down like, yeah, pretty much like 3/4 of the way there.
Go, go, go. Bit more, bit more. Oh.
What the fuck is it?
Just walk it.
Huh?
No.
What are you doing?
Relax. Hey, try again.
How does he get off?
You can get off, right? Just go backwards, yeah. You gotta go faster than that. You have to get up to like here, and then like it starts pushing it down. You did alright, man. You kept your balance.
How many music bars have you had, man?
Dude, you got a whole stack in there.
Yeah, guys, got that on GoPro.
Emergency stack.
Oh, like honestly, you don't know how close it was coming out.
You shouldn't have braked.
Huh?
You made it, man. You had it.
No, yeah. Well, I just didn't expect it to come down so late.
Yeah, just come down really well. It's pretty heavy.
Yeah, I didn't expect that either. To be like so heavy. I thought it was gonna be like heaps light, so it'd just be like.
Keep going.
Oh! You alright?
Fuck. Oh man, you had it.
It's just disappointment, huh?
Just hit that bit.
Yeah, just at the end.
So close, man.
We're on the gap.
Wow,
Come on, get up.
It's pretty scary, man. Oh, watch out.
Hey, hop up.